Pulse with the fans. Pulse with the pulse with the pulse with the fans. Pulse with the pulse with the pulse with the fans. Pulse with the fans. Pulse with the fans.
Poverty. Poverty hurts the most. The poor poverty hurts me last hour. But I'm proud of the fact that I'm just a poor PR. Because poverty is the richest thing for me. Because what will we do with the rich if the family falls apart? The poor are simple, but wool united together. We grew up in a poor life, although we have lived the simple life. But poverty is not an obstacle to fulfilling our dreams. Dreams depends on our efforts as a child or children. We did not grow in a rich family, but the important things is that we learn to accept what is there as long as we are happy and hold together as a family. All of this is struggling, but we need to fight. Our parents raised us, sent us to school, so we can achieve the dreams they have for us. Being poor is not a hindrance, we will. Keep fighting as long as we are strong. Because our life now comes from our Lord. Although we grew up in a poor life, but we will not rely on the help of others. We will learn to stand